To my YouTube channel जय जगन्नाथ नमस्कार आउ स्कूल रे फंक्शन हम देखिए आउ वीडियो टिके लास्ट पर्यंत देखिए लाइक करेंगे सब्सक्राइब करेंगे बाय बाय।
ভিতরে উঠছে পার্কিং আছে আমার লোক পছন্দ থেকে কোটা কোটা উঠছে কল ফর্ম পাশে না ওলি পড়ছে ওলি পড়ে কিন্তু ম্যাডাম ও চলো गुड इवनिंग Today, guest of honor, Dr. Himanshu Chaudhary, ENT specialist, Mr. Parvinder Singh, Secretary Adil Public School, Ma'am Jim Kamlesh, Director and Mentor of our school, Mr. Abhilet Kamlesh, Director of School, Social Invitee, Electronic Media Control, Parents, and well-wishers, and above all, teaching non-teaching staff. A warm welcome to everyone present here.
सर को गुड आफ्टरनून कह देव
The stage is ready for the Silver Jubilee celebration. We take this opportunity to thank the Almighty for abundant blessing and guidance from our management, support from parents.
Once again, please, let's clap for her. There is a special prize given by the school for a student of standard 10th who is consistent in academic performance and equally participates in all competitions. And such a child is declared All-Rounder of the Year. And I am happy and proud to inform the All-Rounder of the Year 2022-23, and the award goes to my dear friend Ashna Patra of standard 10th. And the trophy carries with it ₹2,000 cash. Scout and guide, let's go! और जोर से तालियां उनके लिए, प्लीज। Again, clap for her. Scout and guide, let's go! Moving to the next category, the house champion in co-curricular activities goes to Nehru House, whose captain is Ashutosh Patra, vice captain Chandrakant Pandit, and house in charge Priyanka ma'am. I request all of you to please come to the stage. Scout and guide, let's go! Next, CBSE Boy Topper of the session 2020-21 goes to A. Prem Ankit Senapati. Please, I request his parents to please come to the stage to receive his award. Scout and guide, claps, go!
Zubi nache क्यों पागल stupid man Zubi pampara Zubi parampa Zubi nache क्यों पागल stupid man शखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे दीवार किरणें गा रहे हैं ये पंछी गा रहे वो बगिया में दो फूलों हुई हो रही है गुफ्तगू जैसा फिल्मों में